In this quick guide, you'll learn how to navigate the GitHub workflow effectively. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out with GitHub, understanding how to set up and manage workflows can significantly enhance your productivity and streamline your processes. Let's dive right in. First, head over to your GitHub repository. This is where everything begins. Once you're viewing your repository, you'll notice a variety of navigation options at the top. You're going to want to focus on the Actions tab. It's located in the top horizontal menu bar, right among other tabs like Code, Issues, and Pull Requests. Go ahead and click on it. Now, GitHub has a pretty nifty feature here. It will automatically analyze the code within your repository and offer suggestions for pre-built workflow templates that might suit your needs. This is incredibly helpful because these templates are crafted to cover a range of common tasks and automations. You'll see a list of these templates presented to you. If any of them seem like they might fit what you're looking for, you can click on the Configure button next to the template to start customizing it. However, if you have a specific workflow in mind that isn't covered by the templates, don't worry. You have the option to set up a workflow yourself by clicking on the link that says Set up a workflow yourself. Whichever route you choose, you'll be taken to a built-in web code editor on GitHub. This is where the magic happens. If you clicked on a pre-built template, the editor will already be populated with some code. If you're setting up a workflow from scratch, this area will be blank, waiting for you to input your own configuration. This is the space where you'll paste your YAML workflow configuration script. This script acts as the blueprint for your automation, detailing every step and action that your workflow will execute. Be sure your script is correctly formatted in YAML, as this will prevent any errors when the workflow runs. Once you've pasted or modified the configuration script to your liking, you'll notice a green button at the top right corner of the editor page. It's labeled Commit Changes. Click on this button to save your workflow. This action not only saves your configuration, but also immediately activates the automation within your repository. This means your workflow is now live and ready to start working for you, executing tasks based on the triggers and conditions you've set. And there you have it. Setting up a GitHub workflow may seem complex at first, but by using GitHub's intuitive interface, you can easily configure and manage automations that can save you time and reduce manual errors. Remember, as you become more comfortable with these processes, you can explore more advanced configurations and even create custom actions to further tailor the workflow to your specific needs. Thanks for watching and happy coding.